Are you tired of those dry, boring, basic Instagram filters? Well, find out how to make your own next. Welcome. I'm your host, Solomon Dortch, and today I'm going to show you how to import your own pictures into Lightroom and edit them. So right here, go to the screen right here. So I've already imported them. All you really got to do is just select the ones you want and drag them in here. So we're going to start off with some color correction. So right here is the lighting section right here. You have the exposure, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows, the whites, and the blacks, right? So what I do is I like to experiment a little bit, just tweak it a little bit. So we're just going to start with just taking this one down. I just show you what happens. You take it down and you take it up. Like obviously we don't want it that bright, so we're gonna leave it like right here. I'm gonna take it just a little bit darker, like that. I like my pictures to be just a little bit darker. I don't like them to be too bright. So we're gonna start with the contrast, go to the contrast, turn that up a little bit. And like I said, just tweak it a little bit till you kind of just find that right spot. Of course, it's not as easy as selecting a filter. You can't just click it right quick, but you know, if you want that professional look, this will really help you. Play with the highlights a little bit there, leave that right there. Shadows. I'm gonna take the whites up a little bit. And I'm gonna actually turn the shadows back up. Like I said, it's all about experimentation. All right, we got some good lighting for the first one, and we're gonna go on to the next one. This one right here. All right, we're gonna take this down a little bit. And the contrast. All right, and we're gonna go on to the next one. And this next one is gonna be a little bit trickier because of how the lighting was when I took the picture. That's okay, it ain't no problem. Ain't no problem you can't fix. All right, so we're gonna turn this down. We're gonna start with this down a little bit. And then we're gonna turn the contrast up. Highlights up just a little bit. Because of the black shirt, I'm gonna turn the shadows and the blacks up a little bit. And I'm gonna turn the whites, turn it down a little bit. All right, and that's how you go through your lighting. So I got these. I say the lighting looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go on to the color correction, which is this section right here. And you have the temperature, then you have the tint, then you have the vibrance and the saturation. Temperature in the tint goes two ways. It goes hot or cold. So hot is this way, so we're gonna try this picture. We're gonna try this picture a little bit warmer. Yeah, look at that, I like that. And the tint, we're gonna try to the right, which is like the purple side. Just a little bit though, not too much. And then we're gonna play with the vibrance or saturation, which is gonna really help to bring out the colors. I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit. Oh, and I like that right there. Now let's go to the next one. Same thing, same thing. Let's try this warm right quick. Yeah, let's try this way. I gotta try this one the same way, just see what happens. And let's try the vibrance up and the saturation down. All right, hold up just a little bit more. Boom, and then on to the last one. Like I said, this one's gonna be a little bit trickier. Let's try this one this way. We're gonna do this one cold. I'm gonna make this one the odd one out, the oddball out. So turn that down a little bit. Yeah, like that. And then turn the brightness up. Down. And actually, I'm gonna fix the lighting on this a little bit. All right, now we got those. Look through them right quick. I say they look pretty good. And then all you gotta do is just export these into your selected folder. So I'll show you how to do one right quick. Just export one. It's gonna go into your selected folder. You just select the folder you want. And that's it. That's how you edit your pictures.